Hey y'all, it's Jake with Leviathan Group, and today on Ultimate Survival Tips, I've got another TacPack to unbox for you guys. So let's get into it. All right, we're gonna use our Bastinelli Leviathan to open up this bad boy. The thing is sharp. Booyah. Let's get into it. All right, so got a, looks like a sling. We'll get into this in a minute. Rifle things. Looks like the Stranger Things logo. Got our details right there. Got a couple Armaspec pieces. Talk about these in a minute. TacFire. Don't know what that is, but we'll take a look. This box is gonna go in the recycling. All right, boys and girls, so we're gonna start with the Rifle Things patch. Get this one out of the way. If you know, then you know. But Stranger Things is pretty popular, so you probably know. This patch, it's listed as priceless. You can only get it in this box, at least from what we've seen. So that's Rifle Things. All right, guys, next up is the Armaspec anti-walk pins. So these are made out of stainless steel. They're for your AR-15, and basically they just make sure your hammer and your trigger pins don't come out of your gun. These are a nice little upgrade. Generally, these run about 12 bucks. Then we're gonna move on to the Armaspec B1. And so what this is an extended mag release. They call it the B1, but this is just a really cool upgrade. If you've got both a 5.56 or a 7.62 receiver, this works on both of them. It just extends the length of your factory button in your AR platform. Pretty cool stuff, and this runs about 20 bucks. All right, boys and girls, next up is the TacFire. So in this little box, you've got $20 of value. TacFire, actually, for this box, has provided both a QD end plate and a QD mount, and pairs perfectly with our next item, which is a sling. So both made in the USA, both made out of steel. QD, if you're not familiar with a QD end plate, this mounts between your buffer tube and your upper and allows you to attach a single point sling to the back. This is M-LOK compatible. Most things run on M-LOK now, and it just makes it so that way you can attach your sling, your single point sling, to an M-LOK slot. That's a good value, 20 bucks for both these, both made in the US, both made out of stainless steel. Next is the big thing for this box. I know every month people comment and ask for a sling in the box. The reason why they don't do it, I would assume, is because they're fairly expensive. This sling by itself is $50. So this is worth just getting the box by itself. This is awesome. So this is called the Hammer Sling by a company called War Machine, and this is their volume 2. So we're gonna get into this bad boy. It's good packaging. I like the little robot there. There's your single point adapter. It's very, very sturdy. It's got some tool clips on there. Man, this is actually really nice. I'm actually gonna go use this on my AR, my Leviathan Defense AR. That's on the wall behind me. Got your War Machine robot there. This is 100% worth 50 bucks all day, and this right here is worth buying the box by itself. Plus you get your attachments, you get a couple little AR-15 upgrades, and of course you always get a patch. All right, y'all, so that is the TacPack for this month. Remember, if you go sign up with TacPack, use the code ULTIMATE at checkout, and it helps the channel out. If you do sign up, you are not gonna get this box, but you're gonna get sweet stuff like this every month. And if you're a prepper, if you're a survivalist, if you're just a tactical guy, or you're just into cool outdoor gear, this stuff is awesome. My favorite thing in this box is definitely the War Machine Sling. It's worth every bit of the $50 that this box costs. Plus you get a bunch of extra goodies and some cool patches every month. So guys, this is Jake with Leviathan for Ultimate Survival Tips, and I will catch you later.